Very good morning. My name is Mr. Brian Everest Benedict. I'm a volunteer for JDC and I'm a proud volunteer for working for them. And I've seen how good work they're doing. They are working for ration drive as well as they are working for food distribution. And I have done both the ways, volunteering for both the ways. One is for the ration, I used to pick up the calls, and then there's another team which used to make the ration pack up. Third team was the calling team again to call out the people and distribute the ration. And I've seen they are hard-working people, and I would love people to support JDC as much as possible because JDC needs your support. The second drive, which is on ground, which I'm at the moment here, it is JDC's Dastarkhan. And over here, they are providing lovely food, and it's a unique food for all the people over here. Anyone can come and have food over here. They are packing in a parcel way and they're giving to the people. People can take it for their house, like for 10 people, 20 people, 30 people. Anyone can come. But I would love people who have a lot of money or whoever can support JDC. I'll be very happy if they can do that. So, and if anyone wants to do a volunteering, please do put your contribution in this. Pakistan Zindabad.